There's a crisis right now in America that's having a devastating impact on the health and safety of our children, but it has largely gone unnoticed. In the past decade, close to 800 children have been murdered by an abusive parent after being awarded custody and visitation rights by family law court judges. Currently, family law courts in the United States send approximately 58,000 children a year back into the homes of an abusive parent. How is this happening? Well, since the 1980s, family law courts have been built around a flawed and dangerous theory, now debunked, that assumes that most reports of domestic violence and abuse are false. But surely family law courts are there to protect our children from abusive parents. In theory, yes. However, although our understanding of the extent of domestic violence has progressed since the 80s, sadly, the family law court system is still entrenched in an outdated bias that favors the rights of the abuser over the rights of our children. As a result, acts of protection have become greater crimes in family law courts than acts of abuse. And for the parents seeking protection for their abused children, this flawed thinking has become an insurmountable obstacle to securing their family's safety. What can you do to help? Current research from the Center for Disease Control has revealed the devastating impact of adverse childhood experiences, or ACEs, on the health, safety, and well-being of our children. By requiring family law courts to follow current scientific research, we can ensure that vulnerable children remain in the homes of protective parents, reducing their exposure to ACEs and giving them the opportunity to lead safer and healthier lives. The Stop Abuse campaign is working to pass the Safe Child Act, giving family law courts all the tools they need to make sound, child-centered custody decisions based on up-to-date scientific study rather than antiquated and inaccurate opinions. To find out more about the Safe Child Act and the research behind our campaign, please visit our website at stopabusecampaign.org. You can learn more about current family law court practices, how this legislation will work, how you can donate much-needed funds, and how you can join our team of volunteers working across the country to pass the Safe Child Act. And with close to 800 avoidable childhood deaths in the past decade, you can also save lives.